Connect USB cable. Turn e-stop clockwise to release. Connect the power and USB cables to the machine and turn on the power switch. Open the PC Device Manager. Open the folder software and install the driver ch3 for OSer. Device Manager identifies the port COM4. Open the control software grbl control candle. Click Service Settings, refresh the port. Baud select 115,000 to 100. Click Home button. Use clamps to fix the MDF test board. Install the CNC V-bit. Jog the direction button to move the bit to the working origin. Note: the trim router moving path should avoid collision with the clamp. Fine-tune the Z-axis height so that the distance between the bit and the MDF test board is about the thickness of a piece of paper. Click 0xy and 0z button. Open the test code. Adjust the gear of the trim router and turn on the power switch. Click Send to start engraving. Finished.